Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 10 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Now enter menu, settings and Google Assistant. Enter voice match and make sure that Hey Google function is enabled. Now you are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and also enable lock screen function. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 47 and a low of 34.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.